Okay, guys, we got 1 minute to the open. Let's see what the market can bring us today, Monday, end of the month. Remember, we always make either we make 500 or we lose, we stop trading. Okay, so this is the way, this is the trading plan for this project. So don't exceed your tradings. Okay, so better to stop and or during the day choose another account. If you already make a stop loss here, choose another account, trade another account with the Nasdaq. Remember that yes, when market is after the open, it loses a little bit of steam. So okay, first winner. Market is open, guys. That was a huge candle. Okay, I think the market is gonna go down a little bit, but we never know what it's gonna do, guys. It was a loser. Okay, second loser. Unfortunately, it didn't get filled there. Okay, now the winner. Up 108. Okay, that's a short winner. Up to 99. Tough morning, guys. For example, you see this red lines here, this red background. Okay, this is the scalper. Okay, these are scalpers for signal. I mean, signals from scalper. Okay, so this one here, but it's not enabled right now. I'm just trading the momentum lines here. Okay, I have 491 here. I'm gonna disable the strategy for now. Done for the day. Okay, so no more gambling, guys. Remember, you don't need to gamble with these accounts. Okay, this is something serious, guys. If you make the profit, stop trading. Okay, if this profit satisfies yourself, why will you continue trading, guys? Else you're just gonna be feeding money to those prop firms. Okay, just gonna give them money for them to buy McLarens, Porsches, Ferraris, and all that thing. Okay, so just think about it. Okay, so this is not, we're not playing around here. This is something serious, guys. Okay, so well, this is the last day, guys. I'm gonna be streaming. If you want the system, just contact me. Okay, else I'm just gonna be offline trading my accounts and helping the customers who bought the program. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.